Are you tired of spending money on expensive skincare product that promise glowing skin but doesn't deliver? What if I told you that you can make your own powerful brightening, acne fighting turmeric soap right at home with simple ingredients you probably already have? So today we'll be using 2 bars of transparent soap, some turmeric powder, mentholated spirit, and original honey. You can add little fragrance, but it is optional. So first, we are going to cut our soap into small pieces. Cutting it into small cubes helps it melt faster and evenly. You don't want big chunks because they take longer to dissolve. After cutting, I will transfer the soap pieces into a clean, heat-safe bowl. Next, we are going to melt the soap. You can do this using the double boiler method. That means placing your bowl of soap inside another pot that contains hot water. This way, the soap melts gently without burning. As the soap begins to melt, stir it slowly. Be patient and don't rush it. You want it to become completely smooth and liquid without lumps. Once the soap is fully melted, remove it from it. And now it's time to add our other ingredients. So I'll first go in with about 3 spoons of honey. I will stir that together until it completely dissolves into the melted soap. Honey is very moisturizing and helps to keep the skin soft and hydrated. It also has natural antibacterial properties, which makes the soap even more effective. And next, I will add about 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is known for its brightening and antibacterial properties. It helps to reduce dark spots, acne, and give the skin a natural glow. Make sure you don't add too much so the color doesn't become too strong. So after that, I will add a few drops of fragrance. This is optional, but it makes the soap smell amazing. Just choose a mild fragrance that is skin friendly. Now stir everything together gently but thoroughly. Make sure the turmeric is well mixed so that there is no clumps, okay? The color should now be beautiful golden brown. Before pouring the soap into the mold, spray your soap mold lightly with some methylated spirit. This step is very important because it helps to prevent bubbles and surface molds, and it also disinfects the mold to keep your soap clean and safe. So after spraying, gently pour your soap mixture into the mold. You can also spray a little methylated spirit on top of the poured soap to remove any air bubbles that may appear on the surface. Now allow the soap to cool and harden. You can leave it at room temperature for a few hours or place it in the fridge to speed up the process. After about 3 to 4 hours, check your soap. Once it is fully hardened, carefully remove it from the mold, okay? And there you have it, your homemade turmeric soap. This soap is great for brightening the skin, reducing acne, fading dark spots, and giving your skin a natural glow. Remember, if you have sensitive skin, always do a patch test before using any new products. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more natural skincare tutorials. Share this video with someone who needs glowing skin. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.